Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Off White Airpods case is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for tech enthusiasts and fashion-forward individuals alike, blending cutting-edge technology with high-end streetwear aesthetics to offer a statement piece that's as functional as it is stylish, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their everyday carry and protect their valuable earbuds with an unmistakable touch of luxury and urban cool. Number 5. ELAGO Silicone Case with Keychain for AirPods 1 and 2. At ELAGO, we design cases with simplicity and functionality in mind. They support both wired and wireless charging for your AirPods. To make your life easier, we've included a carabiner so you can keep your AirPods close at hand. No more fumbling around. Unlike other cases, ours fit perfectly and offer the best drop protection. Made with premium silicone and a special coating, it stays on securely. Never worry about losing the cap again thanks to the secure hinge design. You'll always have full access to all features and functions. This makes a perfect gift for any AirPods user. It's great for birthdays, holidays, and especially as a stocking stuffer for Christmas. We believe in simple sophistication, creating products that are both useful and awesome. We create what we use ourselves, so we know you'll love it. What we like. This case offers excellent drop protection with its premium silicone and a secure hinge design. It also includes a convenient keychain for easy carrying. If you're looking for a reliable and functional case that stays put, this is a great choice. What people say. The case is made of a durable material that feels good in the hand. It fits the AirPods perfectly and provides good protection. The design is sleek and stylish, and it doesn't add too much bulk. Number 4. Ljusmicker Silicone Case for AirPods Pro. Introducing the Ljusmicker case, designed for both AirPods Pro first and second generation. It offers a snug fit and keeps your device protected. The case features a transparent design so you can see the LED indicator while charging. Its one-piece construction and bottom dust plug ensure your AirPods stay clean. Keep your earbuds in pristine condition with the included cleaning pen. It has a metal tip, soft brush, and flocking brush to remove dust and dirt effectively. Made from premium, skin-friendly silicone, this case provides comprehensive protection against scratches, drops, and bumps without adding bulk. Enjoy convenient charging without removing the case. It's precisely cut for easy access to ports and supports both wireless and wired charging. Your purchase includes the protective case, an anti-lost keychain, and a cleaning pen. It's everything you need to keep your AirPods secure and clean. What we like. This option features a one-piece design with a bottom dust plug for added protection and cleanliness. It also comes with a handy 3-in-1 cleaning pen to keep your AirPods pristine. If you prioritize keeping your AirPods clean and protected from dust, this is the one for you. What people say. The case is made of a durable material that feels good in the hand. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly and provides good protection. The design is stylish and unique, making the AirPods stand out. Number 3. JARGOU 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. Introducing the JARGOU 3-in-1 charging station, designed to power up your essential Apple devices simultaneously. Keep your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods ready to go, all from one sleek hub. This versatile charger is highly compatible with a wide range of iPhone models, Apple Watches, and AirPods. Simply place your devices on the designated spots for effortless charging. Tired of tangled wires? This compact and stylish charging station is perfect for your desk, nightstand, or even when you're on the go. It charges your devices vertically or horizontally, saving you space and reducing clutter. Experience fast and safe charging with the included 18W adapter. Advanced safety features like intelligent current control, temperature management, and foreign object detection protect your devices from overcharging and ensure a secure power-up. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features anti-slip pads to keep your devices secure. The subtle indicator lights show charging status and automatically turn off after a short while, so they won't disturb your sleep. Your purchase includes the 3-in-1 charging station, a Type-C power cable, an 18W adapter, and a user manual. We ensure each charger undergoes rigorous quality checks before reaching you. What we like. This is a 3-in-1 charging station that can power up your iPhone, iWatch, and AirPod simultaneously. Its sleek, space-saving design makes it perfect for your desk or nightstand. If you're looking to declutter your charging setup and power all your Apple devices at once, this is an excellent solution. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly and provides excellent protection against drops and scratches. The carabiner clip is a nice addition for attaching it to a backpack or belt loop. Number 2. Pohgelan replacement ear tips for AirPods Pro. These replacement ear tips are designed for a perfect fit with both the first and second generation AirPods Pro, including the USB-C model. Installation is simple and they seamlessly integrate with your original charging case. Experience superior noise cancellation with our specially designed ear tips. Featuring 2 noise reduction holes, they maintain the exceptional noise blocking capabilities of your original headphones. Each ear tip includes a built-in dust guard screen, preventing debris from entering your earbuds. This ensures they stay securely in place, even during intense workouts. Crafted from high-quality, soft silicone, these ear tips are incredibly lightweight. Enjoy lasting comfort throughout the day, no matter how long you wear them. With 4 sizes included, XS, S, M, L, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every member of your family. Easily identify the correct size with the markings on each ear tip. Keep your earbuds pristine with the included cleaning pen. Its dual-ended design, featuring a metal tip and a soft brush, effectively cleans small holes, gaps, and surfaces of your earbuds and other digital devices. This package contains 4 pairs of white replacement ear tips in sizes XS, S, M, and L, along with 1 cleaning pen. We're committed to excellent customer service and value your feedback. What we like. These replacement ear tips are designed with noise reduction holes and a built-in dust guard screen for optimal sound and protection. They come in 4 sizes for a perfect fit and lasting comfort. If you're an AirPods Pro user seeking to enhance noise cancellation and ensure a secure, comfortable fit, these are ideal. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly and doesn't add too much bulk. The carabiner clip is a nice addition for attaching it to a backpack or belt loop. Number 1. Gedicht AirPod Case for 1st and 2nd Gen. Introducing a premium case designed to safeguard your AirPods 1st and 2nd generation. Made from soft PC material, it shields your device from everyday bumps, drops, and scratches. Enjoy convenient charging with precise cutouts that allow for wired or wireless charging without removing the case. The LED indicator remains visible, so you always know when it's charging. This case is exclusively designed for the Apple AirPods 1st and 2nd generation charging case. Please note it is not compatible with AirPods Pro 2, 3rd generation, or AirPods Pro. Express your style with our diverse range of beautiful patterns. These designs are abrasion resistant and won't fade, ensuring your case looks great for longer. Your purchase includes 1 AirPods 1 and 2 case cover, a lanyard, and a keychain carabiner for easy carrying. The charging case itself is not included. What we like. This case offers robust protection with its durable TPU shell and comes in a variety of unique, abrasion-resistant designs. It also includes a lanyard for added convenience. If you want to add a stylish and protective flair to your AirPods while keeping them secure, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand. It offers excellent protection for the AirPods, preventing scratches and minor drops. The carabiner clip is sturdy and convenient for attaching to bags or belts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.